Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change server in Knives Out. Selecting your server is a crucial step that occurs only once when you first create your account. After this initial selection, the game does not provide an in-game option to switch servers. But if you wish to play on a different server, the alternative is to create a new account. Simply sign out from the current account. Tap on the little use your button when this screen comes up over here, which is located at the top right, and from the menu click on log out. After logging out, you can then go ahead and choose a different login method and sign up for a new account. You can log in with mailbox login option, Apple, guest login, and other login options such as Game Center login, Facebook login, Nintendo login, etc. Choose any other login options and follow through the sign-in process. Tap anywhere on the screen to start the game and follow through the prompts. And now during the registration process, you'll be prompted to select a server. Then you can choose a new server to play on, and that way you can easily change between servers in Knives Out. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.